Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix stop error code page fault in non-paged area Windows 11 and Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Recovery, click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot, click Startup Settings, click Restart. Press F9 to disable automatic restart after failure. Type View Advanced System Settings, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance. Click Advanced, click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Page and File Size for all drives, click Set, click Apply, click OK. Second method is View Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Write an event to the system log and allows uncheck Automatically Restart, click OK. Third method is type Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Memory Diagnostic. Click Restart Now and check for problems. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space c colon. Exit and restart system. After complete 100% Windows starting automatically. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.